Hi, this is Diana Case. We're going to look at problem number 53 from the 2021 Algebra released exam. So the question asks, which graph best represents y equals 5 times 1/3 to the x? And we're just going to dive in and use the Desmos calculator to graph this. So I'm going to press y equals the first thing, and then it's going to be 5 open parentheses, and you may be thinking, how do I put the fraction in? It's just 1 divided by 3. You may need to arrow out of that using the arrows on your keyboard. Otherwise, you may kind of get stuck on top of that fraction. And then we close off the parentheses. Now, we want to take it to the power of x. And the way we do that is we press this A to the B key. And then we put x in, and we get a graph. The graph is starting high and going low. So looking at graph A is not starting high and growing low. Neither is graph B. So I'm just going to take my calculator and put an X on A and an X on B. Because neither A nor B is starting high like this graph is and going low. So I know A and B are wrong, and now I know that either C or D has to be the correct answer, but it's going to take a little examination of actual points to get there. So I'm going to examine some actual points. The point that I see this going through is the point that is over 0 and up 5. And I think that's going to actually be enough. Answer D goes through over 0, up 5, but answer C doesn't. So D is going through the correct point, over 0, up 5, and it's also tracing down closer to the graph here the way this graph does. So the correct answer to problem number 53 is D, because it draws the correct graph. The things that might make students uncomfortable looking at this problem just straight out of the gate are they might be uncomfortable with the calculator. The y equals 5 times, open parentheses, the fraction, which we get using the division sign. And they might be uncomfortable getting the exponent that we get by punching the A to the B key. And other than that, the calculator will do the rest for you. All right, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great day.